another great little etude with lots of open strings to help players get used to the idea of playing on two strings at the same time, which requires a little bit of getting used to. You not only have to make sure that the bow is following the trajectory for both strings to be exact same at the same time at all times as you playing this, but also how to keep the left hand from getting in the way of the open string that you're using, sometimes called drone string in the bluegrass playing. Anyway, so when you're practicing this one, maybe first consider playing just a single melody, single note, and then start adding the open string or the second voice as you go along and start learning this way. Remember, learning double stops is kind of a separate technique from everything else on violin, and requires attention. You can't just expect to learn double stops from playing a lot of single stop notes. That's not how it works. So you have to address double stop technique through books such as this, and I think it will help you develop healthy habits and enjoy the double stops. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for your support.